Hello, welcome back. I hope you're all doing well. Before we start practicing the simple sukukata, please grab a pencil and some paper. We're going to do a few self-assessments. So pause the video now and get your things ready. Okay, I'm going to say the sounds of some letters and you're going to write the letters on your paper. Are you ready? Please write mm. Did you get it right? Next. B. B. Now write This is the one that you need to close your mouth. S. S. Next. K. K. Now write ah. Ah. Next one. E. E. The last one. Oo. Oo. Great job for trying. So notice that I'm saying the sounds of the letters, not their names. It's important to learn the sounds first so that you can try to read words you have never seen before. Okay, so now we're going to make some sukukata using the sounds. Ready? Na, ni, nu. Ba, bi, bu. Ma, mi, mu. Sa, si, su. Ga, gi, gu. Okay, so to make sukukata, we need vowels. We have already learned 3 vowels, a, e, u, and we'll learn more later. Now let's practice the sukukata again because it's important that you can say them quickly when you see them. Na, ba, ma, sa, ka, ni, bi, mi, si, ki, nu, bu, mu, su, gu. So from this slide, we can make many words. Can you point to the 2 sukukata that make up the word nama? You can even write the word on your paper. Nama. We begin with na. Where is na? Na, ma. Okay, can you see them? Na, ma. Now try mana. Mana. Nama, mana, are they the same? No. Mana begins with ma followed by na, ma, na. Okay, so you should be able to make all the words we have learned so far. Can you write the word su, su? Su, su. Can you find su? Here it's su. So you need to write this 2 times to make the word su, su. Now, find the suku kata for nasi. Na followed by si. Nasi. Suka. Suka. So look for su followed by ka. Suka. So that means we write su first and then we write ka at the back. Can you find kaki? Ka, yeah. Ki, kaki. Put them together. Next one, buku. Bu, you write bu and then ku. Buku. Sana. Sana. Okay, write sa first followed by na. Sana. Sini. Sini. So si is here, ni is here. Right. Si first followed by ni. Sini. Can you find the suku kata for kami? Kami. Kami means we. Next one, can you find the suku kata for kamu? Kamu. Kamu means you. Okay, so to practice, you can try putting together any 2 suku kata, even if they don't make real words. Okay, it's all about getting comfortable with the sounds. We can try a few. For example, I begin with na, so we can make nani, nabi, nami, nasi, naki, nanu, nabu, namu, nasu, nagu, naba, nama, nasa, naga. Okay, so you can do more practice by yourself. Now let's read some sentences. Here we have ini kuku. This is the nails, right? Ini kuku. Fingernails. We can also say kuku jari. Next one. Ini kuku kaki. Kuku kaki, it's the toenail. Ini kuku kaki. Yeah, toenail. Ini siku. Siku is the elbow. This is the elbow. Ini siku abu. This is Abu's elbow. Ini siku Abu. Next. Ini nasi. This is rice. Ina suka nasi. Ina likes rice. Mana nasi Ina? This is a question. That's why we have a question mark at the end. Mana nasi Ina? Where is Ina's rice? Ini nasi Ina. Here it's Ina's rice. Okay, this is Ina's rice. Okay, so that's all we have for now. Remember, the more you practice, the better you get. Okay, bye-bye. I'll see you again.